morning, guys, and welcome to Vlogtober day 5 and possibly 6. So this morning I'm having a lot of difficulties with uploading to YouTube. So what I am going to do is tomorrow's video is going to be a vlog with a coordinating blog post that is all about Disney's Haunted Mansion and the history of it. It was so much fun to make that video, so please check it out if you didn't yet. I'll leave the link above, but I am going to need a buffer day to figure out what I'm going to do to be able to daily vlog right now without it taking like hours and hours. And I'm not going to bore you guys with all of the technicalities of it, but basically, to make a long story short, is right now I'm using my vlogging camera, which is the G7X, which I have really enjoyed for many years, but it's not working perfect. You guys might be able to hear a little bit of background noise, like a clicking noise, and that's driving me crazy. So what I did was I got the new iPhone 12 Pro thinking that would be my solution to the problem, but if you guys are not familiar with Apple, basically, if you get a new phone, you better get a new computer to coordinate with it, because if you're using a computer from 2017 and you have a phone from 2021, they're not going to merge. So I'm having a really hard time uploading all of the video clips that I have recorded, and I'm also having a lot of issues with video clips being corrupted, where the clip is like all distorted and stuff. So anyway, for that reason, the vlog that you guys saw yesterday, that was only half of it. It was a good 20-minute vlog, but so many of the clips were corrupted that I couldn't upload them to YouTube. And I'm like so sad because there were so many things that I wasn't able to share for that reason. So anyway, trying to figure that out. I have a lot on the agenda today. I need to clean up from last night's party, so I'm gonna get to work in the kitchen right now, and I will bring you guys along. So yeah, today's gonna be all about catching up. I just found a good book to listen to on Audible while I'm doing housework all day. So I am now listening to Survive the Night by Riley Sager. And I just finished The Death of Mrs. Westaway by Ruth Ware. That was really good. Here you guys can kind of see what I've been listening to lately, if you're interested. I clearly have a wide range of things that I listen to. Yeah, so recently though, one of my favorites was Rock, Paper, Scissors. Highly recommend. The Audible was amazing, but the story is also really great too. And Green Lights was really good as well. But if you're looking for some good Halloween kind of creepy vibes for October, Rock, Paper, Scissors was really good, and so was The Death of Mrs. Westaway. And I am sure Survive the Night will be just as good, because I am really loving Riley Sager books. And I have another Riley Sager book that I don't think I did the Audible. I think I just did reading the book. I can't even remember. Isn't that horrible? But Lock Every Door, that one was really good too. Okay, so here is the mess left over from last night. I need to get to these dishes, and also I need to take out the crock pot because I am going to be making something in the crock pot for dinner. I think I'm going to throw together a quick chili and get that going first. The kitchen is all cleaned up. I have dinner in the crock pot. I've done all the dishes, and now I have a slice of pizza warming up in the oven for lunch that was left over from last night. So I can't believe it's 12 o'clock already. I feel like the morning went so fast, but I'm glad at least I'm all cleaned up in here, and now I can get on with my work day and do some desk work. I heated up my pizza. It's the ziti pizza, which is so good. It's kind of like having a ziti dinner on top of your slice of pizza. Yeah, I appreciate that. And now I am just replying to comments, and then I have some Mickey World travel work to do, but I want to reply to you guys first because I try to do that first thing in the morning, but I have not yet gotten to it. So I'm currently sitting in Emily's room. You see this little door behind me? Isn't that cool and creepy? Anyway, I wanted to share a little ghost story with you guys before I forget, because some of you asked me if I would be sharing ghost stories this year, and in previous years I actually had a lot to share, and lately, knock on wood, it's been more quiet, but I am in the scariest room in the house, which is Emily's room up here on the 3rd floor. I've always been incredibly uncomfortable here, and if you watched any of my older videos, we actually have had like the ghost hunters come in here. I forget what the name of the company was. It's kind of a company that does paranormal investigations locally, and they recorded some voices up here that were really creepy. So anyway, let me just tell this story quick so I can get out of here, because I don't like being up here by myself. So when Emily was packing up and getting ready to go to college, which was only back in August, right? Sorry, stuff over here was just moving. Which was only just back in August. She was in her closet and she was taking things out of her closet, and I was sitting over here on her bed, which is currently not even made right now. It's kind of a mess, but I was sitting on her bed and we were just going through her clothes and packing things up, and we both heard somebody say something. So I looked up at her and I said, "What?" She looked at me and she's like, "What did you just say?" And I was like, "I didn't say anything. You just said something." And she goes, "I wasn't talking." And I'm like, "Yes, you were. I just heard you say something. I couldn't understand it." And we both heard somebody say something that we couldn't understand. And I guess it was a woman's voice, because I thought she had said it. She thought I had said it. Clearly, neither of us had spoken. And we were just like, okay, that was really weird and creepy. So yeah, that's the only recent thing that I could think of, but if I think of other things or if little things happen, I'll be sure to share it with you this month. Sometimes I write down little notes in my planner book when something happens, so I'll go through to see if there's anything in there as well, and I'll periodically share with you guys when I'm feeling brave enough to do so. So that's the last thing though that I can remember, and that was just right back in August when she was getting ready to go away to school. Okay, now I'm gonna get out of here. This is exciting. My book of the month box just came, so I figured I would open it up for you guys and show you what I got this month. And I always have a link below with a great coupon code for this. It is called The X Hex by Erin Sterling. And this book looks like so much fun. It definitely has great October Halloween vibes. It says, 9 years ago, Vivian Jones nursed her broken heart like any young witch would. Vodka, weepy music, bubble baths, and a curse on the horrible boyfriend. Sure, Vivi knows she shouldn't use her magic this way, but with only an orchard hayride scented candle on hand, she isn't worried it will cause him anything more than a bad hair day or two. Yeah, witchcraft, Halloween, hay rides, all of the things. Pumpkin spice candles. I think this book is going to be a lot of fun to read, and I'm going to add it to the other like 20 books I have on my TBR for this month. And the laundry never ends. I have this basket to fold and put away, and I have like 3 more loads going. So I'm going to be busy with laundry for quite a while today. So what happens is the day after a birthday party, you want to finish all of the birthday treats. So yeah. Had pizza and now I'm having a cupcake. This is not my best eating day. But I did work out this morning, so I have that. So this morning I did end up going on the Peloton. It's been such a long time since I've used it. So I was proud of myself for doing that. And then I also did a strength training video on Peloton, which I've never done before. If any of you are signed up with this Peloton thing, please let me know if you know any good classes or any good instructors in the comments below, because I really would like to do their yoga, but I still go to YouTube for yoga because I haven't really found any that I like over there. But what I love about the program is you can track all of your workouts. So I just realized even if I go for a run, I can do it on Peloton. And I don't need the Peloton treadmill. I can just go like legit for an actual run, or I can use my regular treadmill that I have here at home. But it's a great way of tracking, And when I track what I do, it makes me want to do more because I want to show that I've been, you know, doing a good job with working out, which, by the way, I have not exercised in weeks now. I think it's just been bad lately. A lot of things going on, and I just had a busy September and just lots of stuff. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if you are a part of that, what your thoughts are. All right, on that note, I'm gonna go eat my cupcake. So Alexander Roslin, I think that's how you pronounce her last name, is one of my favorite booktubers. And look, she has the X Hex on her TBR for October. So I was excited because, you know, I just got that book in the mail today. So as you guys can see, I still have a bunch of laundry going on. I am hoping to finish it up soon because Madison is going to be home from school any minute, and then we have dance classes to get to. So I want to get that done. I am so happy I set up the crock pot this morning. It is just such a lifesaver when you have dinner already prepared on busy school nights, because most of our nights I am busy, and I love and appreciate that, and I am so happy that my kids are doing things again, and I hope that it lasts a long time. But it's still a little bit crazy trying to get everyone to sit down and have dinner when we are running to a bunch of different places every night. So I'm glad that is done with, and yeah, so I'm just waiting for Madison to get home from school. Can you guys believe I got another book in the mail today? I haven't ordered books in such a long time, and ironically, I received 2 in the mail. So this is The Keeper of Happy Endings by Barbara Davis, and it is the next book that we're going to be reading for my Patreon book club. This month, for October, we're reading Rock, Paper, Scissors, which again was an amazing story, so I'm excited for that. But this one's going to be fun too. We all voted and decided on this book, which I pre-ordered, so it just came out, I think, yesterday. And guess what? I am still doing laundry. It's 5:15 at night, and I'm still folding. I'll get there eventually. Okay guys, it's about 8 o'clock at night, and I am going to get ready for bed. So that's going to be it for today, and I will see you guys in the morning. Good night. Good morning, guys. Today I am actually headed to the salon right now to get my hair done. You guys probably could see I'm really getting pretty gray, and then I'm picking up groceries, so I'm gonna be busy running errands this morning. It's 20 after 9, my appointment's at 9:30, so I have to get going, but I just wanted to say good morning to you guys. And of course I'm bringing something to read. I have this canvas bag that I got last year in it wasn't Book of the Month Club, it was like a Once Upon a Book Club unboxing. And I'm going to be reading Survive the Night, and the girl that's doing my hair is going to get this book to borrow, because the last time I was there I was telling her about how amazing Lock Every Door was by Riley Sager. So I'm going to bring this for her to borrow, and I'll be reading this, and I'll see you guys later. I just got back from Walmart, and I thought I would do a quick grocery haul. So this is all of the stuff I have to get in the fridge right away. I have blueberries and cherry tomatoes and avocado. They gave me another gift. I'll open this at the end. I don't even know what's in there. And then we have onions. We have mandarin oranges, regular oranges, 2 bunches of bananas. And then I have a whole broiler chicken, some crescent rolls, the Activia yogurt that we like, and then I have the Chobani flips, and sour cream, vanilla yogurt, Friendly's ice cream, the mint chocolate chip, and the chocolate chip cookie dough. I don't know what happens when I order cold cuts. I order a ½ pound, and then I end up with, I think this is over 2 pounds. So I need to talk to them about that. I actually spoke with the guy at the pickup, but apparently I have to call the store. But the other 2 items are okay. So I have the 2 pounds of turkey, and then I just have a ½ pound of ham, a ½ pound of provolone. I'm trying this Kerrygold cheddar. I don't know, it just sounded good. And then I have a couple of frozen chicken pot pies, blueberries, strawberries, peppers and onions. I have some of the Kodiak buttermilk and vanilla pancakes. I have not yet tried those. And then I also have some Kashi Go protein waffles, some frozen veggies, just green beans and broccoli, and then some guacamole. And then I got a bunch of chicken. My son really wants just like quick chicken that he can have on the go. So I got the crispy chicken strips by Perdue, Tyson chicken nuggets, and then Tyson chicken breast strips again. I guess I did that twice. Okay. And then I just have some peppers, milk, and almond milk. And then over here I have more of the freeze-dried fruit that my son likes. So I just have strawberry and banana, peaches, a variety pack, some onion recipe soup and dip mix, and then some Italian dressing mix. These are really good for a lot of recipes that I make, including the Italian chicken recipe, which is really good. And I use this on my pot roast recipe. These peaches, look at how big these are. Oh my gosh. So 3 enormous peaches, some potatoes, bread, oatmeal, and then I have a bunch of canned goods over here. Just basically a whole bunch of green beans, some cream of mushroom soup, which I also use on my pot roast, and then one of the Amy soups that I like. And then the classic mix of chips, Doritos, Cheetos, Ruffles, those kind of things. And then over here we have the junk for the sweet tooth in me. Chips Ahoy, EL fudge, I really love these. And then the fudge stripped cookies. And then back here we have Lucky Charms, Townhouse flatbread crackers, and some of the honey wheat graham crackers. And then I just have the Dr. Teal's body wash, Sensodyne toothpaste that I use, and some new razors. And now let's see what we have in our little gift bag today. It's been a while since I got a gift bag from them, but also I haven't ordered from them in a while. So I have a little jar of Dole peaches, and some Ritz crackers, the cheese crispers. What else is in here? A little chip clip. I feel like they always give me a chip clip, but they also always come in handy. And then usually some coupons and things at the bottom. Let me just see. Clorox paper towel wipes, a little sample of that. And then what is this? Is this like a big prune? This is so weird. It's a date. Okay, a little date in a bag. That's interesting. And that's everything. And it says inside it says, thank you for using Walmart pickup and delivery. So yeah, those are my little gifts that I got too. All right, I need to put everything away and make some lunch because I am getting really hungry. Hey guys, it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon already. I actually had kind of a stressful day, a lot of stuff going on today, so I haven't been able to share too much, but I am doing laundry. Just finished a whole bunch of work for Mickey World Travel, and now I'm going to have another cupcake. It's cupcake time. I'm feeling stressed, and I honestly think a cupcake is going to help. So that's what I'm up to. My hair is done, so that's much better. No more gray. Just it feels so nice. My hair always feels so soft too when I get it done, and it's so nice to get rid of the gray. And I am going to finish the laundry. Madison's going to be home any minute, and then it's going to be go time. And guess what? No crock pot meal today. So I'm going to probably drop her off at dance, come home, make dinner, pick her up, take her to CCD, something like that. We'll see how it goes. All right, I'm gonna get back to some housework. I'm feeling really bad because I have not even taken these guys out for a WALK today. And it's been kind of rainy too, so I don't usually go out in the rain, but also I feel bad because they do this to me. They stand by the door just waiting, and then I feel horrible. Hey guys, so I picked up Madison from dance, brought her home, we had a really quick dinner, and now she's at CCD. I have to go pick her up in a little bit. So that's going to be it for today. Sorry that there wasn't really much to share, but I was basically doing desk work all day, and I'm glad at least I had the grocery haul to share with you guys. That was something, right? And that's going to be it for today. I really hope that you enjoyed coming along. We are already nearly a week into Vlogtober. Time is already going quick. But it's been a lot of fun sharing every day, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night.